Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create stunning images for your blog. Now if you have a blog and you have been looking for how to create beautiful AI images without using the normal ChatGPT, now Leonardo AI is the best app for you. I would advise you to go to this website, app.leonardo.ai. It should bring you to a home page like this. Now you can click on any of these options, but the best is for you to click on this flow state. Once you click on the flow state, it will bring you to a web page like this where you can generate an image for 1 token, and you are allocated 150 tokens per day. So once you do that, you would be able to generate the images of your choice, of very customized to whatever you want to use the image for. One thing I like about this is that you can create as much as 150 images per day, and you can have multiple accounts also, so which means you have almost an unlimited image generating tool for you here. So if you've enjoyed this video, please leave a comment in the comment section below and subscribe for more. Thank you very much, and do have a great day.